Namaskar students. Today we are going to discuss about GTU Diploma 6 SEM syllabus of Chemical Engineering branch. Which are the subjects, subject codes, teaching scheme, topic and subtopics covered in the subjects. Let's discuss one by one. Okay. So first subject is, the code of the subject is 3360501. The name of the subject is Fertilizer Technology. Okay. So a lecture is 4, practical is 2 hours in week. Tutorial, practical is there, so no tutorial is there in fertilizer technology. Theory marks, end semester examination 70, progressive assessment 30. Practical marks, end semester exam 20, progressive assessment 30. Okay, so total 150 marks. Okay, second subjects 3360502, that is Chemical Engineering Plant Economics. Chemical Engineering Plant Economics. 4 lecture is there in a week, no practical, 4 hour tutorial in a week. Theory marks same as usual 70, 30. No practical session is there, so total marks 100. Third subject 3360503, Chemical Reaction Engineering. Okay, 3 lectures per week, no practical is there, 2 hours tutorial is there. 70, 30. Theory weightage is only there, no practicals, total marks 100. Now 3360508, project. Okay. No lecture is there, 8 hours practical, no tutorials. 8 hours per week practical session is there in project. No theory marks, practical marks, end semester examination 80, progressive assessment 120, total 200 marks. Now, according to student demand, there is one elective subject compulsory the college have to run. So, which are the elective subjects? 3360504, pulp and paper technology. 3 hours lecture, 2 hours practical, no tutorial is there. 70, 30, 20 marks ESE, 30 marks PA, total 150. Okay. 3360505, sugar and food technology. Okay, sugar and food technology, same scheme is there. 3, 2, dash, 70, 30, 20, 30, 150 marks. Next, 3, 3, 60506, polymer technology. Same scheme, 3, 2 dash, 70, 30, 20, 30, 150. 3360507, pharmaceutical technology. Same scheme, 3, 2 dash, 70, 30, 20, 30, 150. Out of these 4 elective, you must have to learn one subject as per GTU syllabus and subject teaching scheme. Okay, so pulp and paper technology, that is called pulp and paper technology, PNPT, polymer technology, and sugar and food. These 3 are the basic subjects. Okay, now let's discuss about the credit of the subjects. So here, credit, more credit, that means the importance of subject is more compared to other. Fertilizer technology, 4 lecture, 2 hours practical, total credit is 6. Chemical engineering plant economics, 4 hours lecture, 4 hour tutorial, total credit is 8. Chemical reaction engineering, 3 hours lecture, 2 hours practical tutorial, total credit is 5. Project, total credit is 8. Whole 4 elective credit is 5 because of 3 lectures, 2 hours practical. So every college choose different subject according to the area or industries nearby the college. Okay, so this is the basic introduction of 6 semester subjects, teaching schemes and marks of the subject. Now let's discuss about the syllabus of individual subjects. First, fertilizer technology. Okay, fertilizer technology, 5 chapter is there in fertilizer technology. So first chapter is overview of fertilizers. Almost 7 to 8 marks chapter is there. Second, nitrogenous fertilizers like ammonia, urea. So almost 21 to 22 marks. Third chapter is phosphatic fertilizers. Almost 12 marks around. Fourth chapter is potassic fertilizers. Potassic fertilizer has a weightage of 11 to 12 marks. And fifth chapter is complex and biofertilizers. Complex and fertilizers having weightage of almost 18 marks. Okay, so these are the 5 chapters of fertilizer technology. Now second one, 3360502 chemical engineering plant economics, CEPE. Short name of the subject is CEP, chemical engineering plant economics. Okay, so 5 chapter is there in chemical engineering plant economics. First chapter is basics of process and plant design. Basics of process and plant design. Second chapter is selection of process equipment and piping. Okay, so first chapter marks weightage is almost 10 to 15 marks. Second chapter selection of process equipment and piping is almost 15 marks. Third chapter is plant location and layout, or plant layout and location, almost 10 marks. Fourth chapter is most important chapter because some of the portion of your project part is covered in this chapter, that is economic evaluation of the project. Almost the weightage is 20 marks around. And the last chapter is optimum design. The weightage of optimum design is 10 marks. So this is all about chemical engineering plant economics. Now the third, 3360503 chemical reaction engineering, short form is CRE, chemical reaction engineering. The first, it's also have 5 chapter is there in a subject. Basics of chemical reactions, that is almost 10 to 12 marks around. Second chapter is kinetics of homogeneous reaction. Kinetics of homogeneous reaction, almost 14 marks is there. Third chapter is interpretation of batch reactor data. Interpretation of batch reactor data, almost 14 marks, 14 to 15 marks is there. And ideal reactors. Ideal reactors have 20 marks and above weightage. And design of single ideal reactor, that is also a weightage of around 16 to 20 marks. Okay, now project have some basic index. For example, history, raw material, process description, process methods, selection of methods, selection of process, then the flow diagram, major equipments, price of equipments, then plant layout, then safety parameters, then MSD, material safety data sheet, then cost estimation, then material balance, energy balance, and then last layout of the whole plant, and then basic summary. These are the basic index. It may vary by college to college. Okay, but these are the basic of project. You have to make a project report taking one chemical or one compound of any chemical based compound or any chemical based substance, and make all this from history to end uses. All this have a project report of around 60 around pages. Okay, and after that the Viva project will be taken by external faculty. Around total marks is 200. Okay, now this elective subject also contains have 5 chapters in each. Okay, it varies from college to college. Already I said. I will discuss about pulp and paper technology. Okay, 5 chapter is there. 5 chapter is there. Basic of pulp and paper technology. First chapter, almost weightage is 7 to 8 marks. Second chapter is pulp, almost 20 marks. Third chapter is paper, almost 17 to 18 marks. Fourth chapter is cellulose and lignin chemicals. That is a weightage of around 15 marks, 13 to 15 marks. And last one is waste disposal techniques. What is the waste? Which is the waste which is produced by pulp and paper technology. That is waste disposal technique is necessary to dispose the waste. Almost weightage is 13 to 15 marks. Okay. Okay, so these are the basic introduction of 6 semester subjects, teaching scheme, weightage of marks and chapters with their weightage. Okay, now we are going to discuss out of these 5 subjects one or more subjects details, and I will upload video in a week, 2 or 3 videos of any one or two particular subjects. Okay, if you want any kind of help, let me know in comments. Okay, thank you.